Power on the device by pressing the power button. Then tap the System Setting menu and select Config. For Izod impact testing, input specimen dimensions as L times W times T, set the impact velocity to 3.5 meters per second and the impact energy to 2.75 J. Select the matching pendulum marked with the corresponding energy value, numerical label engraved on the pendulum. The default unit for test results is 𝐂𝐳/m superscript 2, alternative units are available for selection as required. After parameter configuration, return to the main interface. When the pendulum is static, the RT angle reading shall show 0 degrees. If the reading deviates from 0, tap the 0 button to perform 0 calibration. Initiate testing only when the real-time angle displays 0 degrees. A blank loss test must be conducted prior to the first formal test after startup. Tap Mode switch to toggle test modes. Loss mode, blank loss test. Normal test, formal specimen impact test. Arm lift. Pendulum lifting function. Tap arm lift to raise the pendulum. Do not load any specimen and perform one blank impact cycle. Tap arm lift again to lift the pendulum, then switch to normal test mode. Open the safety guard door, align and mount the test specimen with the alignment gauge, and clear all historical test data displayed on the touchscreen. Tap Impact to trigger the impact test. Once the test finishes, test data will be displayed on the screen. Tap Print Label to output the test report and complete the testing process.